don't show me love. There's no day that you don't help me out. You have promised you would let me down. Yes, you are real, I'm not dreaming. You are the one for me, my love. I've seen you here, I'm not dreaming. You are the one for me, my love. Yes, you are real, you are so real. You are the one for me, my love. We've seen you here over again. We trust in you doing more today. We've seen you lift over again, over again, over again. Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, you captured my heart, my love, my love, my love, oh, we captured my heart. Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, you captured my heart. There's no day that you... Alright guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. And so it's a song, worship song by GUC. It's titled Captured My Heart. So I'm going to start straight away with the intro of the song, you know. So before I start the intro of the song, I would like us to focus on the chord progression, the main chord progression of the song. Mostly measures, even the minor natural La that will be adding at some points. Okay, so we have F major, okay, F major. Remember we are playing the key of C. Remember we are playing the key of C. F major. Okay, we have C major, right? We have G major. So it's just all about these chords, you know. But as time as we will be adding minor, okay, the natural minor, that's A minor. Okay, so this is the intro. Okay. La, ti, do. Okay, I'm doing that with my right hand, you know. While doing that, you play the broken chord F, alright? F major with your left, alright? La, ti, do. Now come to Mi, Fa, So. While I go to C with my left, okay? Mi, Fa, So. Then I come to G now. Then I play Si, Do, Re. I take it slowly. La, ti, do, re, fa, so, ti, do, re. Again, then you repeat that of ti, do, re, ti, do, re. Alright, I think that's all about the intro. That's all about the intro, you know. Now the first, the verse of the song, all right. Then it starts with with F major, okay. At some point we'll add the minor. So I've given the main chord progression. It's also the there's no day that you don't do me love, right? You can remember the there's no day that you, okay. There's no day that you don't help me out, all right. That's you have promised you let me down, okay. Yes, you are here, right? See, 4 yes, you are 4. I'm not dreaming. 1, you are the one for. Then I add the 6 and you are the one for me, my love. All right, this way we added the 6. I've seen you here 4. I'm not dreaming. 1, okay. You are the one for me, my. All right, you are real. All right. All right, we've seen you here over again. We trust you doing more today. Alright. We've seen you lift it for over again. 1, over and 5, over and 6. Jesus, oh, Jesus 1, Jesus 5. You captured my 6. Okay, Jesus. Alright. Jesus, oh, Jesus 5, you captured my 6. So Jesus, Jesus, oh Jesus, that one is the chorus. So with the chorus, you have to, the 6 is always there. That's the 6 is, chord 6 is always there, guys. That's the breakdown that I had to give to you. It's very simple, guys. Do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.